When a defendant is unjustly enriched, a plaintiff may obtain a monetary judgment, known as restitution damages. In addition, if a defendant is unjustly enriched by acquiring property, the defendant may be deemed to be a constructive trustee of the property for the benefit of the plaintiff. But what if the property is deposited into a commingled account so that it's not separately identifiable? May the court still impose a constructive trust on the funds? In the case In Re JD Services Incorporated, a federal bankruptcy court in Utah considered this question. In August of 2000, JD Services Incorporated petitioned for Chapter 11 bankruptcy with the United States Bankruptcy Court for the District of Utah. After filing for bankruptcy, JD Services deposited a check for $7,250 into its account at Bank of America in Texas. However, Bank of America mistakenly credited JD Services' account with $725,000. On August 30, 2000, JD Services wired $800,000 from the Bank of America account to an account at First Security Bank. Roughly 1 week later, Bank of America notified JD Services of its mistake. On September 16, 2000, JD Services and First Security Bank agreed to place a hold on the account in the amount of $717,750. This amount represented the excess money that Bank of America mistakenly credited to JD Services' account. However, between August 30th and September 16th, millions of dollars passed through the First Security Bank account as part of JD Services' ordinary course of business. Subsequently, Bank of America filed an adversary proceeding in the bankruptcy case for the funds it mistakenly credited to JD Services' account. Bank of America then moved for summary judgment.